Henry Ford, born in 1863 in Dearborn, Michigan, was a visionary who transformed the automobile industry and, by extension, the world. Growing up on a farm, Ford was fascinated by machinery, which led him to Detroit as a young man to work as an engineer. His relentless pursuit of efficiency gave birth to the assembly line, a groundbreaking innovation that forever changed manufacturing. Before Ford, cars were luxury items, painstakingly crafted one at a time. Ford's introduction of the moving assembly line in 1913 revolutionized this process, slashing production times and costs. This innovation was not without its challenges. Ford faced skepticism from his peers and resistance from workers unaccustomed to the monotonous yet efficient production style. However, his determination paid off, making the Model T affordable for the average American. A lesser-known fact about Ford was his obsession with perfection. He famously said, "You can have any color as long as it's black," reflecting his focus on standardization and cost reduction. Ford's assembly line did more than produce cars. It democratized mobility, spurred urbanization, and laid the foundation for the modern consumer culture. Henry Ford passed away in 1947, leaving behind a legacy of innovation and progress that continues to shape industries worldwide.